ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಮತ್ತು ಝೋನಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ ಹಾಗೂ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ 93ನೇ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜುಬ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಿಎಂಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎನ್.ಕೆ. ತಿಂಗಳಾಯ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಕೆನರಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಡಿ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಬೈ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಉಡುಪಿ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ನಟರಾಜ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ವೀರೇಶ್ ಪಟ್ಟಣಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ವಲಯ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಬಂಧಕ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಹಂದೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
A physician, and Mr. Waman is Kudwan. Mr. T. Satish Pai is son of Mr. T. Upendra Anand Pai. He is the MD of Manipal Media Networks and Mrs. Sharada Pai. He is the promoter of Manipal Finance Limited, Manipal Software Limited and Manipal Housing Finance Limited. He is married to Mrs. Kusha Pai and they are blessed with 3 children and are living in Anand Nagar, Manipal. Sir, thank you for accepting. Mrs. Vasanthi Archana is the daughter of our founder, Dr. T.M. Pai. She is married to Dr. Rabindranath Shenoy and they are blessed with 3 children. She is settled and living in Cincinnati.
Sir, specialist and senior specialist in Government Hospital Udupi for 15 years, providing service to the poor. Founder of 200-bedded super specialty hospital named Adasha Hospital Udupi and participated in various clinical trials of insulin collaboration with Novo Nordisk, conducted more than 100 rural health camps with free blood tests and so many other free medical supports. Apart from being director of Mrs. Adasha Hospital Udupi, he is also director of Adasha Specialty Clinical Singapore and Adasha Global Project Bangalore. He is providing free health services to us, just like such as our balance sheet of 1935. He served in Mrs. Vijaya Vice and Elements Private Limited, Mysore as chairman of the company for 15 years. Later, he worked in various capacities in Manipal Industries Limited as director of the company and then in PU Pai Textiles. He was also the president in Rotary Club in 1985. During spare time, he gained spiritual knowledge and
so it gives me great pride in celebrating this 93rd Foundation Day of this great organization, Syndicate Bank, which was started with a meager capital of 8,000 rupees. Of course, in 1920s and 25, 8,000 was a big amount. I was going through some literature where it is mentioned that Bank of America in California started its banking operations with $8,000. Syndicate Bank started its journey with 8,000 rupees capital. Imagine Bank of America and imagine Syndicate Bank. Both of these banks with a capital of 8,000 have become biggest organizations in the world. That is thanks to the visions. And somebody was telling, even Mr. Balal, who is the Pro-Chancellor, he always used to tell, which we are going to give the feedback during the 15 minutes interval of this program is over. We have the intended program by the staff. In between that 15 minutes time, we will be showing some of the customers' feedback. What do they feel about Syndicate Bank and their founders?
Immediately, hats off me. If today Lakshmi is having branches, there are 6, 7 branches. We have 4 branches and 10 ATMs. It is because of this is taken by Mr. K.K. Pai to have bank to Syndicate Bank there. Subsequently, State Bank to other banks now. When I was the chairman, one day, the PA to Canara Bank, Mr. J.V. Shetty was the PA to Canara Bank. This young man was known to me very well. He said, sir, you planned send us your balance sheet. I asked him, why do you want my balance sheet? He said, no, bank, sir, your bank is going to merge with our bank. For the first time in my life, I shouted so highly that he still remembers me, minority, sir, you shouted me those days. I said, what are you talking? We are a big bank, we can't merge with you. Then I went to the Reserve Bank manager. Fortunately for me, I had very good connection with the governor, Dr. Rangarajan, who was the governor, whom I invited to come to Manipur. And many of the army people have come to Manipur, thanks to Syndicate Bank. Now I told him, there is a move by Canara Bank saying that our bank is going to merge with their bank. He smiled. He said, your bank is good. Big bank, nothing, no merger. I was so happy that Syndicate Bank is so cultured. What's the point in merging that with Reserve Bank? And we continued, and Syndicate Bank is known for pygmy deposit. Mind you, the World Bank was interested in knowing what exactly pygmy deposit was. Even I was invited to the World Bank as a consultant to tell them what innovations they have done in this particular area. That was the conferences that we have made. There are many areas where Syndicate Bank has shown the way. In the rural banking, it is Syndicate Bank which has done pilot work that is being quoted. In fact, the lead bank scheme was prepared. The Reserve Bank was prepared a very big questionnaire, 5-page questionnaire. They were not very sure what to do. They came to Manipur. They consulted me. I told them how to define it. And mind out there is one column there, number of prisons in the district. I said, why are you talking of prisons when you are letting? Don't talk of it now. So that was removed. In the lead bank scheme also, Syndicate Bank has done wonderful work, thanks to the support given by all the chairmen that I had. And I am very happy that the 31 years that I spent in Syndicate Bank was very useful in my life. And I feel